Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone's OS and having the DNS provider details at hand. This matters because older builds may not support private DNS. Next, decide between a public resolver like 1 versus a private encrypted host. Choose based on privacy needs. Once done, note the alternate backup resolver in case of reachability issues, and make sure cellular and Wi-Fi are toggled on so you can test changes immediately. You now change the settings. On Android, use private DNS to enter the provider hostname for DNS over TLS because it encrypts queries. On iOS, configure DNS per network or use a DoH app if supported. Make sure to save original values so you can revert, and then test by loading a known site and by running a DNS lookup app to confirm responses and latency. If you see inconsistent results, switch networks to isolate Wi-Fi versus cellular behavior. You finish by validating. Run several lookups to verify consistent, fast answers because DNS caching can mask issues. If browsing fails, revert to your saved original settings first, then try the alternate public resolver such as 8 to see if the provider is the problem. If encrypted DNS does not connect, disable encryption temporarily to determine if the handshake is failing. This isolates transport issues and helps you pick the correct provider or adjust network firewall settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.